Before you scroll away, give me just 1 minute of your heart. This is a story about a man who lost everything and slowly learned how to live again. Every morning, he wakes up reaching for someone who has not been there for a very long time. The bed still remembers her shape, even when his arms no longer do. This house has become a museum of memories he never asked to keep. Every object whispers her name, even when no one is there to say it. So he sits, and he waits, and he pretends the silence is peaceful. But one morning, the silence is broken by something very small. Every day, at the same time, they are there, sitting patiently in the cold. They do not ask, they do not beg, they only wait, like they believe someone will come. Something about that waiting feels painfully familiar to him. So one morning, without knowing why, he finally stands up. Because once, someone waited for him in exactly the same way. His body feels heavy, but his heart feels just a little lighter. When he opens the door, the world feels warmer than he remembered. They look up at him as if they were waiting only for him. And in that moment, he feels something he has not felt in a long time. Not happiness yet, just warmth, just purpose. He realizes the pain did not end his story. It only changed its direction. He walks not because he forgot her, but because she taught him how to love. And love still wants somewhere to live. Sometimes healing is not letting go. It is letting love become something new.